so you people need to understand the experience I've been having.
Oh,
I said to Dean and to Stephanie Ritt, no, I am not doing the Kris and Dean Show. I thought I was safe because I can't travel anymore. So I thought, no, we're not going to do it. And I don't like doing videos. So fine, not a big deal. And they're like, no, you got to do it. And I'm like, no, I don't got to do it. And you know what they did? In a webinar, you know what they did? They announced that we were going to do it. And then, they did it within my hearing.
Mm-hmm.
And there was cheering.
There was cheering.
And I'm really mad about
Massive
that.
cheering because people want this kind of bickering.
I know. So we told people in the past when we did the Kris and Dean Show that we weren't going to do politics or religion.
No.
And we're not, except here I am breaking the rule because I'm wearing my ACES shirt, which is politics and religion. I'm sorry, WNBA fans. But there you go. And now I'm going to let him talk since this was his idea.
It's a good idea. People used to like it. A lot of people learned a lot from it.
What did they learn?
We're gonna try to help them get into 2025, get their writing ready, get a lot of stuff ready, and through the back and forth, hopefully they'll learn a lot.
Oh, about us, if nothing else.
Yeah, good point. Okay, and that's the end of this promo.